I know what I'm talking about here.
Hey, you guys hear something?
Whoa!
Wow.
Who's that guy?
What happened? I can't believe he came down
What's
with
he doing?
guy.
He fit down the chimney? How? Guys, what does he have in that bag?
He's leaving presents. Wow, he's a really nice guy.
Wow. What's he doing?
He's coming over here. I wonder who he is.
Wow, that's really neat.
Hey there, big guy. Where's he taking Steve?
Hey, where are you taking me? Where are you...